The importance of localizing on-screen text in videos. Video today is highly important to your business. Do you know why? Product videos help customers make purchasing decisions. Videos on websites increase conversion rates by 80%, and 64% of customers are more likely to buy a product online after watching a video about it. This is why online marketers recommend the use of videos in digital marketing strategies. They offer you a great advantage. So, you have a video. What's the next step? Let's take a look at what video localization involves. First, voiceover. Voiceover is often used in film and video production. It is popular in radio, TV, e-learning, IVR, and many other mediums as a way of describing a product or service. Next, lip syncing or dubbing. Lip syncing is more than just a voiceover. The speech and movement of the lips should be synchronized with the original voice, making it look like the person on screen is really speaking the target language. Finally, captioning or subtitling. Although these two techniques appear similar, they are different. Captioning is descriptive text on screen, such as names or job positions. Subtitling, on the other hand, is a transcription or translation of the dialogue. What are the main elements of video localization? Video localization requires attentive project management and consists of different elements, starting with the transcription and translation and ending with animation and quality assurance. Let's talk about on-screen text and graphics. When we talk about on-screen text, we are usually referring to movie names, character names, country names, or highlights of what is being explained in the video. Main steps in localizing on-screen text. Step 1. Decide which on-screen elements are important for your foreign audience to read in their own language. Step 2. Receive your source video, including all footage. Step 3. Localization options for on-screen replacement. There are several ways to localize your on-screen text. 1. Full text replacement. This is the best option if you have a full source video project. On-screen text is replaced line by line in the source files by simply copying and pasting. 2. Overlay or masking is used if the provided source does not allow you to replace the text. We recreate new on-screen text over the original, including new translated text. 3. Subtitles. The easiest and most cost-effective option if you don't have all the source files for your project. 4. Another approach to translating on-screen text is to voice them. So, now that you know all the possibilities for localizing your project, it should be easy to choose the best option for you. Which method of on-screen text localization to choose? Full text replacement, an easy and inexpensive approach if you have a full source project. Overlay masking, the only way to hide original on-screen text if you want to make your video look as professional as possible, but you don't have a source file that allows it to be fully replaced. Subtitles, the fastest and most cost-effective method for translating on-screen text. Which method to choose? Contact us and we will provide a free consultation. Accent Network, your localization partner. Please read the following tips carefully. Important rules for working with video.